Hi, I'm Janine, and I just got a box from Tryazon, and I think this is my Merkury Innovations little goodies from Tryazon, and so I'm just going to do an unboxing, and we'll just see what they sent me. Pretty excited about this stuff. I noticed that the Merkury Innovations has a lot of stuff for smart homes, and that's what's got me so excited, is that I've had a few things for smart homes and I really like them. So let's see what we've got here. Okay, first thing is a smart Wi-Fi plug, and there's one of these, and this is good. It just plugs right into a regular outlet, and you plug it in, and then you can plug in whatever you want to have run that you can hook up to Wi-Fi. So like if you want to have your lights so that you can turn them off and on using your phone, maybe you're away from your house and you want the lights to go on before you get home from work so that it looks like you're already home, you can use your phone and just turn the lights on or off, and it works really well. So that's what this is good for your TV, for your lights, for different things that you might want to use that use a plug. So that's number one. Number two is, the Merkury Smart Wi-Fi LED bulb. And this is a equivalent of a 60 watt, and it says, let's see, where does it say? Okay, it uses 9 watts to give you the equivalent of 60 watts, so it's using very little energy, but it's giving you really nice wattage, which 60 watts is what we use in our house. And we actually have smart bulbs in our front on the driveway, both driveway lights, and we really like them. They go on when somebody comes into the driveway. They go off when there's nothing going on, and they automatically come on when it gets dusk and go off in the morning. So these are really great because they're smart bulbs, and they will work again if you want to use a light that you're turning off and on with your smart, my little smart plug. Then you're doing duo duty, and you're gonna get even that much better usage. Last but not least, I have a smart Wi-Fi camera, and I can use this in any room. Of course, we all know that when you have a young child or a baby, it's nice to have one of these in a nursery so that you can keep an eye on what's going on. But also if you have a room that you want to be able to watch what's going on, maybe you have you stay in one room and you have another room where your front door is, you can see if somebody's going in and out of the front door. You can set this up to be able to see comings and goings. Anytime, anything that you want to see what's going on, you just put this in that room. You can hook it up to your camera or your phone or your computer, and then you can just watch what's going on. You get alert if anything happens. Then it's got a sensor, and it sends a message to your phone or your computer, and you can tell what's going on. So these are all really good products for me to try out, and these are Merkury Innovations products, and these were sent to me again from Tryazon. I will be using these, and I will give you an idea what's going on here pretty soon. Thank you, and have a great day.